Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So last week, as I posted, Microsoft announced that the next feature update for Windows 11, which we have already received now, which started rolling out on the 26th of September, KB5030310, which brought and brings the fourth wave of new features, also known as the Moment 4 update, that this would be an update to Windows 11 22H2, not to version 23H2, as I mentioned in that video. And I'll leave relevant video links down below to the feature update and also that announcement by Microsoft, which I posted on last week. Now, in regards to the fact that Microsoft didn't roll out version 23H2 on the 26th, like a lot of us were expecting, we were all expecting Microsoft to roll out the actual annual feature update this week's on Tuesday. And basically this is the reason why Microsoft didn't roll out 23H2 and decided to ship most of 23H2's features with the now released Moment 4 feature update. Now, this is according to a post by Windows Central, who says that according to their sources, it looks like Microsoft decided to ship a whole lot of 23H2's new features as part of the 22H2 Moment update, which, as I mentioned, is KB5030310. If you have the toggle turned on for getting the latest updates as soon as they are possible. So the reason for this, Moment updates are not optional. So Moment updates will be installed automatically. This month's update is optional because it rolled out as part of the bug fix update, but all these features will be carried over into the compulsory update, which will be the second Tuesday of October, the 10th of October 2023, which means then those features become compulsory. And that's basically the reason why this is all happening, because the annual H2, known as in this example, 23H2's release is always optional. So annual feature updates are always optional. You don't have to install them. You can go a good couple of months without having to install them. So that's the reason why Microsoft did this, because if Microsoft kept all the new features exclusively to roll out with version 23H2, it means that you wouldn't have to update. And that means that the Copilot, which Microsoft is pushing now, would not be rolled out. So this means that Microsoft doesn't want this. So it's shipping it in the Moment 4 update instead first. So you can't avoid it. So if you haven't installed the optional update that rolled out this week, next month you're going to get this Copilot anyway, if you are in the relevant regions. And the 23H2 release is still planned for this last quarter, the fourth quarter of 2023, as I have been posting. And as mentioned, I'll leave one or two video links down below. And what it's going to do is it's going to basically just be and serve as a support cycle clock reset. And as Windows Central calls it, a jumping on point for OEMs, that's original equipment manufacturers and enterprises, to preload onto new hardware. So that's why Microsoft has rolled out most of the 23H2 new features with Moment 4 this week, because obviously they want Copilot to start rolling out as a compulsory feature and not optional, and also to serve as a support cycle clock reset. So basically what this means is the 23H2 update will serve as a clock reset when it comes to the life cycle of Windows 11. So that will be a clock reset for Windows 11 Home, Pro, and Enterprise, and 23H2 will be supported for 24 months on Home and Pro and 36 months on Enterprise. So that's basically why Microsoft caused a whole lot of confusion, as I have been mentioning, and that's according to Windows Central and their sources, and I thought that was interesting. So I just wanted to put it out there, and I'll leave all relevant video links down below just to keep you in the loop if you would be interested. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.